All right, it is February 15th, Monday. The stock market is closed. We're going over some stocks in the market today, which is closed. All right, ISR 139 million float, 230 million market cap. They reported a loss Q2 lags revenue estimates. That was February 9th. Isotope Medical develops manufacture sells isotope medical products devices for treatment of cancer, malignant diseases, United States, internationally. So, the stocks, although you get back to 2006, this was up near 850, crashed below 50 cents. And for years, this bounced the 350, then came back down again. Yeah, this is bouncing as best as it's been in about 6 years. So going to the daily, once this broke above 50 cents, give this dollar line, I can take this out probably right now. See, this was below 50. This bounced to this $1 line in 2020, but didn't hold. Then it came back again in May, didn't hold again. Then it faded. That's why these lines, quarter, 50, 75, a dollar, were extremely important penny land. Then this came back to 50 cents. Then January, this exploded up. Big volume. It was gapping up. It's got as high as 275 plus. And where we're at now, then this faded. And this came back. And it looks like this 150 line is pretty big. See this 150 line? So you have a pyramid. You have up and down. And is this 150 going to hold or is it going to slide back? I don't think it's going to slide back all the way. I think you're going to get a bounce here. It's pretty oversold stochastics. So I would watch for 150. And then watch this 275 level right here. See this back and forth now. We're going to go up and test that. That's the areas now. 150 holds. You have a chance to go up here and test that 275. PAVM. 44 million float, 230 million market cap. Global cardiovascular device market now projected to exceed 71 billion by 2027. Operates a medical device company in the United States. Cardiovascular disease, I think it's the number one killer in the world because we don't move our bodies. And the other thing we don't do, we don't eat right. We eat all junk. Yeah, the simplest thing in life is what we've been taught for years. We all know it. Eat vegetables, eat fruits, eat organic as best you can, lean chicken, meat, grains. Um, and stay away from all processed and junk food and garbage. It's really crazy. We live in a strange society, especially here in America. All right, so PAVM January, this went all the way to near 350, came back, really dropped hard. Then it found this 250 line, and then 175 right here, this back and forth, this 175 to 250 line. You can see this channeled. And then we went up and tested 250, then came back to two, little dip. And then look at the volume bars down here. 4 volume bars, massive volume bars. So we exploded up here, 225 here. Look at these 4 bars. This thing took off. See, once it breaks these levels, sometimes it really will take off. So you can see in the weekly too. How the weekly is even better. See this staggering stochastics? It's like a snake coil up and down, up and down. That means it's still going. Each dip is bought. The next line on this is 4. You have 4 to 5, and then watch near 7 if this really gets going. Because you can see here, this flattened for over almost 2 years, then went sideways. We came out, but the low, it didn't come back here. Look at this channel. You break the channel. Now we're going up. So, and watch this too. I mean, it's run pretty far. This could pull back. They could put in, a lot of times too, they'll put in a red candle right here because people want to get in too. Remember, you can't get in if it keeps going higher. Hedge funds, money managers, someone will put in, a big move to bring this back, and then they can get in. So we'll see if this happens. This comes back, and you watch the 250 support on this. RWLK float 17 million, 90 million market cap. No news recently. Medical device company designs, develops robotic exoskeletons for individual mobility impairments and medical conditions. All right, so this one came about, 2018, sort of weird candles here, dropped, did a reverse split. In June, this moved all the way to 10, filled that gap, came back, formed a wedge, another gap, and this moved up to 2. Then you have the 1 and 2 line right here, back and forth. And like all the stocks, look at this December, January, heavy volume on the up days. It's really exploded over 2. Each dip, look at this here. Look at this move here to 3. You have 5 red candles right here, came back, tested it, did nothing, found support. Then over 250, 354. And then this touched right at 6. Going a halt. This was a weird candle. This is like shot right up. Trading that's like impossible, but let's take this out. So you can see some lines here. We have right here at this 10 line. And then bring your 2 line all the way across here. You can see this, how this moved. So you can see now, yeah, there it is 10. And then the back and forth, then it came really extremely low on this chart. Now you have this big open space here. You can see this grinding up. Look at this. Look at the volume. So I think we can fill this gap, and eventually get to 10. I'm not sure how long on this one. Put in a very high wick. They can pull this back. This could come back to 250. Again, a dip. As long as these dip buys keep happening here, here. I can see another one. It's fine. As long as everything stays, within the chart, it looks good at this point. So that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Twitch, Mike Cayman Trades. That is it for this video. Peace.